list view is that's why it is listing like this. I can make it as grid by clicking customize channel here, then come down, then I will click on the edit menu and vertical I will change to horizontal. So here we will see these things as the horizontal manner. Again, tips is there. I can add, if you want to make a compilation of video files into one sections, you can add like this. Python tips. So these are two things. Okay, I just added section title. I can add by technique or whatever it is. If you add like this, it will be get displayed here. See, technique. So as I showed you like this, you can add more section to your YouTube channel so that your channel will look like well organized and well attractive. So I hope this helps. I will come back with the next video. Thank you.